Welcome back to my channel. Stefan Wolf is here. As usual, sharpening video. Today, how to properly use Spyderco Medium bench ceramic stone. If you are a subscriber to my channel, you already watched my video how not to use Spyderco Medium ceramic bench stone, and you know that this type of stone is finishing stone. It's not a stone intended for removing a lot of metal, repairing damages, creating new edge barrels, just for putting final and fine sharpness. In front of me, combination stone produced by Norton, 8" by 2" by 1" Norton Crystalline silicon carbide, two sides, coarse and fine. The micron ratings will be put in the description box below the video. My trusty test knife, Chinese vegetable cleaver, branded by IKEA, 313 CR MOV, stainless steel, below 55 HRC. As usual, starting with distressing the edge with this type of movement on the stone. We are removing all the stress metal and we are sure that we have continuous reflection from whole cutting edge, which will show us the progress of metal removal. I am using moderate amount of force, around 1 kilogram, and the edge barrel is just shy of 2 millimeters wide. You can see metal and abrasive particles. This type of stone is readily friable and release abrasive very easy over certain amount of pressure. I need to find a paper to check the sharpness. Sorry about that. Changing to the fine side. A little bit of oil. I am using fine machine oil. This particular oil is sewing machine oil. Easy to find, cheap, and give me good results. The viscosity is just right for sharpening on and with oil stones. So I did 20 passes on the core side. That was 10 on the fine side. Checking the reflection. It's almost gone. We already have created and close to apex edge barrel. These 10 strokes were very wide, just the weight of the blade, and to keep some control on the stone. So let's say that is plenty of sharp. For this stone, one thing to do, because we used oil, is to clean the knife. Before going to the ceramic. I won't cut the video or speed up. I want you to see the whole process with no possibilities for, let's say, cheating in the sharpening process. The good holder, rubber feet, the stone isn't going anywhere. Again, Spyderco Medium 8-inch bench stone. Let's say 20 passes on higher angle to create micro bevel. That was the angle on the crystal one. I'm lifting the knife a couple degrees. That was 20. Checking under direct white for imperfections, white reflection and other things. Let's check the sharpness. You can see and you can hear the difference between Northern Crystal Fine and Spyderco Medium. I will do 10 more very wide passes, just to see can I improve the already great edge. Let's check it. Oh, you can see this. I do not accord to the camera angle. Sorry about that. That's enough paper cutting. I will put some vegetables at the end. Or what thing? Let's find an onion. It won't be the best edited, or as I mentioned, is unedited video, but I prefer this way. Cleaning the knife. For me it's important you to see the stone, not my skills, and not how good the video is edited. Regular onion. Let's use a paring knife for peeling it. Spyderco Medium bench stone, a good addition to your sharpening arsenal if you like such type of stones. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.